Hey guys, welcome to the video. So if you guys check down in the description, the rideshare shop, they are now a partnership with me. I've been getting a lot of different Tesla accessories for it. So this is something I got from there. It is basically a cover for the center console here, because if you've ever had this, you guys would know, if you have a Model 3, you know how bad this really can get with the whole thing of how many fingerprints and dust gets on it, because it's a glossy black plastic. So I got this carbon fiber material to put over it to kind of help protect this and also kind of give it a better look that's not going to have so many fingerprints and everything. So we're going to go ahead and install this here and see how it turns out. So you guys can see these have a lot of little 3M pieces of tape I have to pull off, so I'm pulling off all the covers so I can get this on correctly. So normally there are a bunch of like skin wrap. This one's more of a hard plastic that goes over it, and it's very thin, so it's a good size. I tried doing one of those wraps myself. It could have been the quality of the one that I got, but when I tried installing that, it really did not turn out well. So I saw this and I was like, oh, 100%, let's try this out. So if you guys do look in the description, there's a custom link for the rideshare shop you guys can use. And there's also a referral code. If you use code TeslaVision10, you get 10% off any product on the website. And 99% of the stuff on the site has free shipping, and it's fast free shipping, guys. So make sure to go check that out. I'm gonna be making a whole video on that, but they're a new sponsorship of the channel. So if you guys want to make sure, go check it out. If you have a Tesla Model 3, there's a bunch of accessories for that. There's also accessories for a bunch of other cars. So you have dash cams, audio devices, all little things like that to help keep you safer on the road. So make sure you go check it out. Dash cams are almost like a must nowadays. So definitely go make sure to look at them and give them a check. So let's get this on here now. Obviously got to make sure we have it on exactly correct before we put it into place. So let's get this right here on the sides. Make sure it's even. Yeah, I'm gonna line it up with the cup holders here. Perfect, so that fit on perfectly. So it's made exactly to the sides there. So you can see it has, this is the part where you can put the key card if you use that or not. When the lid is closed here, I'll show you guys a different angle, but that went on very well, and I actually really like the look of that. That's really, really nice. So now these are the two harder parts we got here. The two closing lids, the one for the, I have a wireless charger up here. They also sell these on rideshare shop, so you can place your phone on there and wirelessly charge. So we have to do them for both of these lids here, so let's get those going. So that went on perfect too. So that one turned out really well as well. And they fit perfectly. So it's so minimalistic, you can barely even tell that something's on there. It fits right in flush with the metal sides here. So that fits in perfectly. I love the look of that. It's really, really nice. Yeah, that's really flush. And then we got one more piece over here. We're gonna get that one down now too. go. That's more of that even look I was looking for. So now, perfect. See, that's exactly what we needed. So happy I readjusted that. Yeah, perfect. So I'll show you guys a better angle here now. So carbon fiber up to the top, and this is a lot less fingerprints and stuff on here. It makes it look a lot less nicer. A lot nicer, not a lot less. So if you guys want to see me doing more installs on custom Model 3 accessories, let me know. So you can see when that's closed, you barely see the card reader down there. So when you're actually just sitting in the car, this is what you see, all the carbon fiber in the center here. I think it looks really good. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're going to be doing a lot more accessory installs on the channel coming soon. Have a good one, guys. Peace.